Yeah. So what you need to do is measure here. I think it's like 1.4, 1.3, and just measure down there. You got to think like now. They're on about. I know they're on about putting a tree in and whatnot. So it does need. If it's soil, they can dig into a soil, obviously, can't they? But you don't want to be digging all that out because we're putting a wall. By the sounds of it, they want like a stone wall there to. Yeah, but we're not doing it yet, are we? So it's on next visit. I won't. Is there? But yeah, that's the idea. It's dried out lovely, that. Morning, guys. Bit of a team meeting going on. So, as you saw on Friday, grinding out, jet washing, continuing today. Look how dry it is. I've actually had a dry weekend. So I'm going to grind out up to here. Then, in between me and grinding out, whatever Oliver's doing, we can get this out, give it a good sweep down, keep going, keep going, keep going. What I was doing the other day was grinding out, jet washing, grinding out, jet washing, grinding out, jet washing. But it's dry enough, I can see it joints. Because it was just full of mud, couldn't see it before. So we had to jet wash, grind out, jet wash. But yeah, Tom's just down there, just fiddling with that. And then where I'm just moving down. He's got a wall to finish over there, 0.3 high by 1.2 wide. That is the last of the Yorkshire stone, which I'm so happy about. But yeah, it's fairly busy today, completing stuff, which is nice. We want to be off here tomorrow night, and it's looking like we're doing good. It's looking like it's going that way, to be fair. But yeah, catch you all in a bit. how's everybody doing? This job has finally come to an end. All we've been doing for the last 2 days is grinding out, jet washing, and this area is the front. So all we've been doing around here is just jet washing down, but it's just got loads of black spots all over it. For some reason, this area is Raj green, this area is fossil mint, but there's a line going down here. So to me, that were a gravelled area before, and now there's obviously people before who these bought it off changed it. But yeah, this area here is literally just needs some black dot remover going on it. But yeah, it's just what jet wash down, best we can do. Let me show you around back. So in the back, all resined up by Tom. We use a joint it, as you all know. But this area, I'd say 80, 90 square meters, something like that. Quite a big area, leading down the stairs. But yeah, that's the end of this job now. We have finished. We're coming back in the morning just to pick a few stuff up from round back. But that's it. But this is nowhere near ready to be turfed yet. Just have a look how wet it is. So we've got all down here by this planter down this area. Going to bring some turf, some soil in. We're going to do it like each Saturday morning. Whenever I've got a spare couple of hours, just bring them in. Bring a ton in, check it out, see how dry it is. Spread the ton around, and then right, it's dry enough now. Let's buck it in. Bang, bring turf up, get it down here a couple of days later. Just get it done. But yeah, that's it, guys. This job has finally finished. We started this on the 5th of January, first day back. We've had icy days, a few days off, few weeks where there were only 4-day weeks, or we'd nip off and go do a fence repair, and just so it's not, we haven't been here constantly, but we have been here the majority of the time. But yeah, it does feel nice finishing it now. So I'll catch you all on another job, 8 o'clock sharp.